My dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are quite well. Our topic name is multiplication. Multiplication. We use the accent when we are multiplying. This means time multiplied by lots of or groups or. We use the accent as accent. This is called multiplication sign. We learned this previous class. This is multiplication sign. We use the accent when we are multiplying. This means time multiplied by lots of or group of. Here are two groups of tennis ball. There are 4 balls in each group. Here are two groups of tennis ball. There are 4 balls in each group. How can we do this? In each group, 4 balls. And how many groups here? 2 groups here. Here are 2 groups of tennis ball. There are 4 balls in each group. So, 2 multiple sign 4. 4 2 is a 8. 4 2 is a 8. Had 2 groups and 4 balls in each group, and each group are 4 balls. Each group are 4 balls, and 2 means 2 groups. Okay, so 2 multiple sign 4 equal 4 1 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. A strategy for introducing multiplication. The process of repeatedly adding the same number. A strategy for introducing multiplication. The process of repeatedly adding the same number. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, which may be read as 2 5 times or 2 times 5. 2 5 times or 2 times 5. So 2 multiples and 5 equal 10, or 5 lots of 2. 5 multiples and 2. 5 2 is a 5 1 is a 5, and 5 2 is a 10. Some examples here. Some tomatoes here. 1 2 3 4 in 4 group. Each group 2 tomatoes. In each group 2 tomatoes. So how can we write this? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many? 8. And in multiplication strategy, we can write down 2 multiple sign 4. 2 multiple sign 4, how many? 8. Or 4 multiple sign 2, how many? 8. Here some oranges are. So in each group 3 oranges, and there are 3 groups here. How can we write this? 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. So 3 multiple sign 3 equal 9. 3 multiple sign 3 equal 9. Some mangoes here. Here some mangoes, and each group 4 mangoes. How many groups here? Exactly 3 groups. 1 2 3. 3 groups. Each groups 4 mangoes. How can we write down this? 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. Or in multiplication strategy, we write down 4 multiple sign 3 equal 12. Or 3 multiple sign 4 equal 12. 3 1 is a 3. 3 2 is a 6. 3 3 is a 9. 3 4 is a 12. 3 4 is a 12. Here some bananas. How many groups here? 1 2 3 4. 4 groups here, and each groups how many bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each group 5 bananas. How can we write down this? In addition, we write down this 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So 5 multiple sign 4. 5 here 5 mention each group bananas and 4 mention each group. 5 mention number of bananas in each group and 4 mention number of group. 5 multiple sign 4 equal 20. Or we write down 4 multiple sign 5 equal 20. 5 4 is a 20. 4 5 is a 20. 4 1 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8. 4 3 is a 12. 4 4 is a 16 and 4 5 is a 20. In previous class, we also know 2-digit multiplication. 14 multiplication 2. How can we do this? In previous class, we know 14 multiplication sign 3. In previous class, we also know the 2-digit multiplication. How can we do this 2-digit multiplication? Because we didn't learn the times table of 14, 11 and 15. So in easy way we can solve the 2-digit multiplication. 14 multiple sign 2. 14 2 is a 28. 14 multiplication sign 3. 15 multiplication sign 2. How many? 30. 50 multiplication sign 3. 15 3 is a 45. We didn't know the times table of 14, 11 and 15. But how can we solve these 2-digit multiplication? 14 2-digit, 14 2-digit and 3 1-digit. So